It's Friday morning, January 21st, 2022, about 11:30 a.m. It's Bullhead City, Arizona time. Asplundh Corporation has been here a few days, off and on trimming trees, and I'll just show you what's left of the trees. Big gaps in between, and the trees were growing into the high tension wires. Okay, so they set up in our park, San Genarro RV park, and they put that sign up. Cars coming by, work area ahead. But I want to show you what's on the other side of that sign. That's it. It goes down to the river. It's a boat launch. Okay, so back to what we were talking about. This morning when they set up, I'll show you where the truck is. One of the guys got out of the truck and put up those traffic cones around. See them traffic cones? Let me back up there. Around that truck. And that man's up in the trees trimming. Okay, so I said to one of the workers who put up those traffic cones, it's the law, rules, regulation. He laughed and said, yeah. As you can see, that Asplundh truck, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, isn't going nowhere. Forward and backward, it's going to be a bugger getting that trailer out of that spot. Anyways, this gentleman's up there trimming away. He is high up. Alright, so that's it for this one. I'll come alongside here, get a picture of the truck. And that's it for this one.